relax right now for the first few moments and get your body situated and kind of settle into the mat. So set your intentions. Yes, release your attachment to the outcome. Yeah. Deep breath in, the belly rises. And so my goal is that you come in here and you feel the difference from what you do all day, the mundane, and come in here and feel light and bright. This yoga room is christened for your healing purposes. So when you can get in here and let it begin as soon as you lay on the mat. This yoga studio likes to integrate the spiritual aspects of the yoga practice. The part that the Hindus made part of their religious practice. To commune with Source daily. Let's get busy. Set your intentions. Release your attachment to the outcome. That means if it doesn't happen the way you want it to happen, you didn't do your favorite pose, or we didn't stay with it long enough, honey, you still go with the flow. You release your attachment to the outcome to stay on your throne and not disturb your energy. It's about growth. Taking a good look at yourself starting right now. Bend your knees, give yourself a big old hug, pulling them in close toward you. Wrap your arms around your knees. Try and grab opposite elbows if you can. That's a really deep squeeze. Some of you can only just grab hands or knees and push them together. Some of you can clasp fingers. But the goal is the knees side by side.